I know you're not doing it for the money. I know you're not doing it to try and get rich. I know you're doing it because you want to get compensated for the harms and losses that you suffered because of somebody else's carelessness. Would you like to learn what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Most injured victims, when they come to my office, come right out and tell me at the very beginning, Mr. Oginski, we're not doing this to try and get rich. Mr. Oginski, we're not doing this for the money. I just want to make sure that this doesn't happen again. And what they're referring to is they're not doing it because they have a motive to try and get a lot of money. The defense attorney will often make an argument to the jury that they're trying to seek the lottery. They're trying to hit it big and make it rich, and that they are money-grubbing people. The reality is they want nothing more other than to go back to their lives the way it was before. They don't want to have to get injured. They don't want to have to go through the lawsuit process. They don't want to have to go through a trial and then ask a jury to give them compensation for the harms and losses that they suffered. They would like nothing more than to go back the way things were. But unfortunately, we can't put them back in that position. So the only thing that we can ask a jury to do is to give them compensation for all the harms, the losses, the suffering that they've endured as a result of somebody else's carelessness. And that's significant. And so now when the defense attorney turns around and tries to argue, whether subtly or overtly, that the reason this person is coming forward trying to get the jury to make an award is because they are money hungry, because they want to win the lottery, well, and oftentimes it's almost totally the opposite. So now you have somebody who's really significantly injured, who now has no way to earn a living, who now can't support his family and can't do the things that he used to do. And now he's not looking for an award. He's not looking for a lottery ticket. He's not looking to get rich. You want to know why? Because the money that he receives is not going to put him back in that condition that he was in before he suffered this injury. Instead, it's only going to make his life a little bit easier. It's going to make his family life a little easier. It's going to allow him the ability to go ahead and get the medical care he needs without worrying about how he's going to pay for those medical expenses. So the next time you hear a defense attorney say, oh, but they're looking to hit the lottery. Oh, they're looking to get rich on this. Look a little deeper and ask yourselves the question, does this injured victim really want that? Or would they have preferred not to suffer this injury? And so now they're in court seeking compensation for the harms and losses that they suffered. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own matter, whether it's a medical malpractice matter, a wrongful death matter, or an accident matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.